So this is HelloFresh. This is inspiration delivered. Now we're out here camping and we do this at home, but taking this camping has been really, really good for us. We've got these pre-packed vegetables, the rosemary, man, it smells good, right? All this ingredients was included and it was just right there in a bag, and we can shove 2 or 3 of these into the van, into our camping fridge, and we've got dinners ready to go.
Really good dinners. The amount of times that we've been camping and other campers come up to us and go, what are you cooking? And we go, we're making a HelloFresh. Today we're making almond-crusted lamb leg. And they go, oh, we just have some sausages.
Yeah, and we did salmon on the last trip.
We did, yeah.
Salmon went well, the chicken, and the kids loved the tacos. So when they do the tacos, it was really easy. Right?
Yeah, and one of the best parts is with HelloFresh, because you've got such clear ingredients, quite often we can just go, here kids, you guys cook. We're gonna get a really nice restaurant quality meal, and meanwhile, Shane and I will just go have a walk.
And they're cooking, all the measurements are there. Pretty much they've got it set so they don't have to get the portions right. The proportions. So add a few things. So we're really, really enjoying the HelloFresh camping, restaurant style meals.
Yep.
Family
easy living.
Easy living.
Yeah.
We love doing this. Camping with SEQ Campers Sunshine Coast, the Stockman Rover, Kimberly Campers, and all of us here love easy setup, easy living, and easy with our HelloFresh.